In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix desktop view on Shopify. We'll walk through a simple workflow inside your Shopify admin that gives you a clean, spreadsheet-style view for making quick changes, especially to product prices. This approach is perfect on a desktop because it lays everything out in columns and rows so you can review and update multiple items without jumping between pages. Start by opening the Shopify website and navigating to your admin dashboard. Once you're in, head to the Products section. This is your central hub for everything you sell. If you have a large catalog, the search bar and filters at the top can help you quickly narrow down what you're looking for, whether that's a collection, a tag, or a product type. Keeping your product list focused will make the next steps easier to manage on one screen. On the Products page, you'll see a checkbox next to each item. Select the ones you want to work on. If your goal is to update a group on the current page, you can use the checkbox at the top to select them all at once. This selection is what the bulk editor will use, so take a moment to confirm you've included the right products. Next, click Bulk Edit. You'll see a desktop-friendly, grid-like editor open up. Think of it as a mini spreadsheet for your store. Each row is a product, and each column is a field you can change. By default, you should see key columns like title and price. If you need more context, the editor lets you add or remove columns, but for price updates, keeping it simple can help you work faster. Now edit the price of each product directly in the price column. Click into a cell, type the new amount, and move to the next one. This view makes it easy to compare prices side by side and spot inconsistencies. If your products have variants, they'll appear as separate rows so you can fine-tune each option individually. To speed things up, you can also drag down to update the price of the next product. After entering a price, use the fill handle on the cell to copy that value down to adjacent rows. This is ideal when multiple items should share the same price. Make sure to glance over the rows you've updated so everything looks correct before you move on. That's all there is to it. By opening Shopify, selecting your products, using Bulk Edit, and adjusting prices right in the grid, you'll have a clean, reliable desktop view that keeps your workflows fast and organized.